Okay. Okay, let's read it. Revelation chapter 9. We're going to read it from the verse 1. The fifth angel sounded his trumpet, and I saw a star that had fallen from the sky to the earth. Yeah, this star fallen from the sky to the earth. The star was given the key to the shaft of the abyss. When he opened the abyss, smoke rose from a gigantic furnace. The sun and the sky were darkened by the smoke from the abyss. Yeah, because it's a huge smoke which came out from this hole. We're going to make people suffer for 5 months. Verse 11, they had a king over them, the angel of abyss. So there is an angel, which is an angel of the abyss, and that is his the abyss, and that is his that is their king, and his name in Hebrew is Abaddon, and in Greek, however, it's Apollyon. That is so dangerous. This angel, which is fallen to the earth, which is going to kick extraterrestrial devils down here. I have said to you, these extraterrestrial, these angels, the stars are falling down from above. They have poured down here, and they are in the Andromeda planet. I don't want to say that some of them are already above your head, and there are lots of their UFOs flying above your head, but they still have power to hide themselves. However, all the power to hide themselves are removed, and you extraterrestrial must be shown clearly until your UFOs must be destroyed, and you must show. That is an order of Elia from beloved YAHVAH and YAHOSHUAH. Humans who know nothing. Isaiah chapter 24. I am laughing at you. You're going to look for me one day. Where is that man? Did you know how to say what I said? And have you known the thing that I am telling to you? If you know this, you haven't been washed away from your sin and you never sin anymore. But you sinners, that means that you know nothing. You were just saying nonsense thing. Isaiah chapter 24. So which verse? Which verse is it, Ruva? I don't remember. Okay, let's look for it. I already see it, but I don't remember its verse. Isaiah chapter 24. So we must look for it. Where is it? Isaiah chapter 24 or 14. Where is it, Ruva? Isaiah chapter 24 verse 21. I am the first who found it, Ruva. Yes, Ruva. He is a wonderful technician on the Holy Kingdom in the radio of YAHOSHUAH. That he is so wonderful, and he is already wonderful. So follow Ruva. You have to take Ruva as reference, you technician. Okay, he is so wonderful. Isaiah 24:21. In that day, YAHVAH will punish the power in the heavens above and the kings of the earth below. So, beloved, that YAHVAH will take revenge against the armies above. Let's read in French version, Isaiah chapter 24. So you have to follow, you who are at home, what is Elia is saying. These sometimes, and they're the extraterrestrial devils and armies which are hanging there. The extraterrestrial who dwelled hanging there. The extraterrestrial who dwelled above there. They're going to come down. That is the dangerous thing which happens on there. They're going to come down. That is the dangerous thing which happens on your earth. Because devils cannot live in peace. They must to you. If you see that chief of devils, even the whole of his skin makes you faint. Even collapsing is the minimum thing, but you get crazy, full. But the whole of his skin. That is the most terrifying thing. And if you have seen something really disgusting and terrifying, add it billion times. That's why they don't show to human, because they're going to be hated by humans, but they just send you handsome or beautiful ones. That's why you see mermaids and also Kalanur. However, Kalanur's looks are so terrifying. Kalanur, Nordic, black man, and they just show it to you, and they bring miracles so that you run after them. But when you see their leader, you're going to run, because that is a beast, a terrible beast, a disgusting beast. So that is a parenthesis to give you. They're coming down here, and that is the book of Revelation, which says dangerous thing happens to the earth because devils has come down to you, and they have great fear because they know that their time is so tight. Revelation chapter 12. Which verse is that? And who's going to answer that, Ruva? Yeah, you become famous these days. Revelation chapter 12, verse 12. Okay? Verse 12. Let's read from the verse 7. Yeah, that's it. Revelation 12, 7. So I'm going to give you all the meaning of the words from the truth hurled the earth and his angel with him. Then because they have no place anymore in heaven, as we have read, there is no more place in the heaven for them. In the verse 8, so the dragon has been fallen down with the devils and Satan. Yeah, devil Satan is a common noun, but the proper noun is Lune. That is it's his name, and he was made fallen because there was a war, according to Isaiah. Beloved, YAHVAH has made all the armies fallen down from above. So that is in the Revelation they have been made fallen. When YAHOSHUAH went up, and it's at that moment that they were made fallen down, and a short time after that they were fallen down. So that is the book of Revelation. It's the day of Lord. That is not Sabbath, but the day of YAHOSHUAH, where there was a ceremony for YAHOSHUAH because he has won when he was nailed on the cross. Because when Father YAHVAH has sent someone, yes, because that is also a request from YAHOSHUAH, and it has reached till the end. Everyone who has reached his mission got ranked. Yes, it's normal because he has done his mission, so that makes him happy. Verse 12. Therefore rejoice, you heavens, and you who dwell in them. But woe to the earth and the sea, because the devil has gone down to you. He is filled with fury, because he knows that his time is short. So that is what we have talked about. These devils pour down. They are the stars, pouring down like trees, like They must pour down, whether you like it or not. And they're all going to come down. They are already above your head. And that is the leader. That is the boss of your church leader. It's this extraterrestrial, which the Holy Scripture say that they're stars, but morning star, but they're all devils. And Abaddon and Napoleon are the leaders of that, the leaders which destroy this earth. They show like these extraterrestrial devils who on human. These extraterrestrial devils who on human and bring humans in sea. That is dangerous. You're going to see them in your eyes, and they cannot hide anymore. They cannot hide themselves anymore, but they must show. And you may ask when. Now, just ignore me when you see them. It stated. What have I said? That you are going to see fearful something which makes you scared to death. In Luke chapter 21, verse 11, which says, and there will be fearful events and great signs from heaven. That is a great sign. That is a dangerous sign for you. You're going to see UFOs, which have been always hidden. Like, no, there is no such thing. But there are. Dmitry Medvedev, the previous Russian president, said there exist and there are black men, but it's not okay to say that to you because it create disorder, and even he's going to die if he say that, because they don't joke. If you don't have power to fight against them, no one have power to fight against them unless people who follow Elia, because the power to fight against them are power from the heaven of heavens with Yahushua with beloved YAHVAH, the one who never